Essential oils for an earache and ear infections. Earaches occur due to reasons such as excess earwax buildup, foreign bodies, or teeth grinding at night. The symptoms of earaches include nausea, dizziness, and the constant sensation inside your ear. Essential oils have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are useful in relieving earaches. You can mix lavender oil with coconut oil and rub it gently to reduce an earache and soothe the inflammation. Mix garlic oil with olive oil and apply it topically to relieve an earache. However, don't use it if the eardrum is ruptured. Apply oregano oil mixed with almond oil to clear up any blockages or infections in the ear. You can mix 4 to 5 drops of peppermint oil with jojoba oil and rub it gently on the outside of your ear. The antibacterial property of mustard oil is effective to soothe inflamed tissues and reduce muffled hearing. Blend a few drops of mustard oil in a glass of warm water and gently pour it into your ear canal. Dab a cotton ball in basil oil and place it against your ear to soothe an earache in no time. Tea tree oil helps dry up fluids in the ear that cause earache, and you can mix it with olive oil to relieve pain. To clear out excessive earwax or soothe inflammation, pour olive oil into the ear canal and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Thyme oil has analgesic properties which can help you deal with discomfort associated with earache. Apply thyme oil mixed with a carrier oil, but avoid putting it directly inside the ear canal as this can worsen the infection. By now, you should be listening to your favorite music without any trouble. However, if the earaches persist, you should visit a doctor. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you like our video. Subscribe and click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to be the first to watch new videos on organic facts.